Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform an ordinary photo into a professional clean headshot using Adobe Photoshop. Whether you need an updated image for your LinkedIn profile, a resume, or a business portal, this workflow will help you achieve that high-end look without needing a studio session. Before we dive into the editing process, if you find these Photoshop tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more creative tutorials. Let us jump right into the software. First, we need to frame your subject correctly. Open your image in Photoshop and select the crop tool by pressing the C key. Aim for that classic headshot framing, which captures the top of the head down to the upper chest area. If your subject is tilted, use the leveling feature in the toolbar to straighten the shot before hitting enter. Now that our frame is set, let us clean up the complexion. Select the Spot Healing Brush tool from the toolbar, which you can quickly pull up by pressing J. Use this to click on any small pimples, spots, or minor skin blemishes, letting Photoshop automatically blend those areas into the surrounding skin. For larger imperfections, switch to the standard healing brush tool. Next, we are going to perform a subtle skin smoothing technique that keeps the texture looking realistic. Duplicate your layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Go to the Filter menu, select Blur, and then choose Gaussian Blur. Apply a light blur and then reduce the opacity of that layer to about 20 to 40%. This creates a professional finish, but be careful not to over-smooth, as you want to avoid that artificial plastic face look. Next, let us enhance the overall lighting. Navigate to Image, then Adjustments, and open the Camera Raw filter. Here, try bumping up your exposure slightly, adjusting your highlights for better depth, and increasing the texture or clarity just a touch. This really makes the features pop. For that extra professional sparkle, we need to brighten the eyes and teeth. Select the brush tool and create a new hue and saturation adjustment layer. Select the yellows and lower the saturation slightly to remove any discoloration. With the layer mask selected, paint carefully over the teeth and the whites of the eyes to achieve a natural bright glow. If your background is distracting, we can solve that easily by going to Select and then clicking Subject. Once the subject is highlighted, go to Select and Mask to refine the edges and output to a layer mask. From there, you can drop in a solid white or professional gray background. Finally, to ensure the face looks crisp, go to Filter, select Sharpen, and choose Unsharp Mask. Use a very small amount of sharpening to make the eyes and facial details look tack sharp. By following these steps, you have successfully elevated a standard photo into a polished professional headshot. If this guide helped you level up your photography game, remember to drop a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.